So far in this series, we have analyzed the external environment, the macro environment, and industry structure. We now shift the focus inside the organization. Internal strategic analysis addresses two fundamental questions. What can the company realistically afford to focus on? And where are its real strengths and weaknesses? The ABC analysis is one of the core tools used to answer these questions. The ABC analysis is a tool for preparing and simplifying decisions. Its objective is to direct management attention to the areas with the highest economic and strategic relevance. Instead of treating all activities, products, customers, or resources equally, ABC analysis helps identify where disproportionate value is created or consumed. The core logic of the ABC analysis is the relationship between effort and outcome. Effort can be measured as quantity, time, cost, or resources. Outcome is typically measured as value, contribution, or impact. This logic is closely linked to the Pareto principle, which states that a small share of elements often generates a large share of results. ABC analysis applies this principle to make value concentration visible and actionable. Based on this Pareto logic, elements are classified into A, B, and C categories. A elements generate a very high share of value with relatively little effort and represent critical strengths. B elements are of medium importance and require regular monitoring. C elements consume significant effort while contributing relatively little value and often indicate structural weaknesses or inefficiencies. These relationships are typically visualized using the Lorenz curve, which shows the cumulative distribution of effort and value and highlights concentration effects. ABC analysis follows a structured procedure. First, the object of analysis is clearly defined. Second, value and quantity data are collected and sorted. Third, cumulative percentages are calculated and class boundaries are defined. Finally, managerial consequences are derived from the classification. The quality of the analysis depends heavily on consistent and reliable actual data. The key strength of the ABC analysis lies in its clarity. It reduces complexity and supports conscious resource allocation and prioritization. At the same time, ABC analysis is a heuristic tool. It focuses on one dimension at a time and does not capture qualitative factors. A strong focus on A elements does not automatically guarantee success if optimization potential is limited there. ABC analysis therefore requires managerial judgment and should be combined with other internal analyses. Let's summarize the role of ABC analysis in the strategy process. ABC analysis is a core internal analysis tool that applies Pareto logic and uses the Lorenz curve to visualize value concentration. It helps identify strengths and weaknesses by showing where value is really created and where it is not. Most importantly, it clarifies what the company can realistically afford to focus on, given limited resources and managerial attention. In the next videos, we will continue with further internal analyses, including portfolio analysis, corporate culture analysis, and satisfaction analysis, before integrating all insights into a SWOT analysis. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to understand strategy step by step, you're in the right place.